As you knew from this channel, I got the J7 2016 and the 2015. Now I have uploaded this and I have the 2017 J7 Pro. Now we have the J7 Pro, and I have bought this in the black colorway, the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. And let's open this. Let's make this unboxing. As you can see, the box is similar from the other ones. Now this is not orange, it's the sky blue. You just have to remove the sticker and open the box and see what we have. Here is the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. As you can see, now it is full metal. It has 13 megapixels on the back and 13 on the front, so that's a better camera. And also the new characteristic is that it has a finger scanner, which is here in the home button. Okay, this is the phone, and let's open this. Now here is the phone. As you can see, it has the aluminum here in the back, the Samsung brand here, and also the number of the email here. The camera has a different position and the light one also. As you can see, this phone is very different from the others because the marks are really smaller than the last version, but the same position for the camera and the light. In this space you can find the home button that also has a finger scan, and you have the menu and the back button here. Also, we got in this box the quick guide, which is here. We got the micro USB cable as always. You have the tool here, the earphones, and also the charger. This is not a fast charger, but he has a good performance, so it doesn't matter. About the quick guide, we have the manual here. Now the SIM card enters on the side, and you don't have to remove the back to put the SIM card. Now you can put it with this tool. You just put it inside in this hole. You put it here, and you remove this slot. You will put the SIM card there, and that's it. What else is all? And also the warranty card, which is here. The manual we had in Spanish because I'm from Peru and I have bought it here. About the network, we have the Intel network here in Peru, and I bought this because I think that it gave me the best price. About the 4G LTE, it has a processor, the octa-core processor of 64-bit, and also we have a screen of 5.5 inches. And the camera, as I told you, is the 13x13, and also it has a memory of 32 gigabytes, and you can expand it to the 256 gigabytes. About the phone, let's turn it on. I've already set all the apps and put some apps here because I've tested it before, and I wanted to show you how you will see this phone since you had it in the box, and after that you put it here. Let's wait. It takes just a few time to turn on. You don't need to wait too much, and also you can use it when you set all the characteristics. You just have to press here and also use the thumb to unblock. But here it says that first, if you turn it on, you have to use the password. When you put the password, now you have unlocked it. Then after that you can use the thumb as many times as you want, and that's it. Because it has a different version of the Android, it has a different performance. As you can see, the performance is really different, and it's quite snappy. It's really fast. It reacts really fast. As you can see, the home button now it doesn't work, so you have to press up, and that's it. Then you press down and you eliminate the home button, the home. all the apps from Google are organized here, and all the apps from different apps from Microsoft, for example Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive and Skype, are in another group. Also, when you press to the side, you will see the briefing, which is a magazine that you can use, you can read. It has many options. If you don't want it, it doesn't matter. The double tap on the home activates the camera, and I think that's it. Also, there is another app that I wanted to show you, which is the camera, the secure file. You just have to put the password, and you will see different apps. This is not the apps that you find in the home space. No, these apps are really independent, and this WhatsApp, for example, has another number. So if you put chat from your friends, you chat with your friends in this WhatsApp, if the person of another person wants to see the conversation, they have to use a password. Okay, and I think that's it. On my opinion, I think this is a great phone. For example, if you just need it to record things, if you want to use it in the office, this is really good. If you want to, for example, download or watch movies in this screen, this will be really amazing. For example, let's enter to YouTube for here, and let's make watch another video. For example, this one. You will see that
cada vez nos acercamos más a la televisión.
For example, the audio is really good, and also the image, as you can see, is really clear. This is a high definition screen, so I think you will like it. So if you have any comments about this, just leave it in the description down below. And that's it. It's me, it's Christopher from Internet is Paid by Itself. So thank you.